Thank you so much, Maze. Good morning! How are you today? Ay, na-orient na. How are you today? Last na lang talaga. I will join you guys. How are we today? Good! Very good! Excellent! Grabe! Can you tell the person next beside you and can you say, how are you today? Pakinggan ka natin ang sagot. O, pakisagot. Alright. Everybody's good? Can I see some thumbs ups right there? Alright. You know what, no? A while ago, while I was driving on the way here, I was scrolling on TikTok. Who loves TikTok here? Ay, dapat mga Gen Z tayo dito. Ganun kahit yung edad natin. Who loves TikTok here? Ayaw pa rin. Who loves Facebook here? Who loves Instagram? Oh, mga aesthetic pala mga tao dito. More on Instagram. Well, I was scrolling through social media a while ago, no? I saw this video and it struck my heart. Bakit? Are you familiar with the video na may background sound na this is what dreams are made of. Hey now, join with me. Hey now. This is what dreams are made of. Grabe. And with the video, pinapakita dun yung mga dreams nung nag-create ng video. And I do believe that each and every one of us coming here has dreams in their lives. Tama? Ay, gusto ko yung yes. Yes po. I do believe that each and every one of us coming here has those dreams in heart na hindi pa nare-realize. Right? Gusto ko yung mga ganyan nyo. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan nyo. Of course, maybe some of you here has a dream of having an ideal lifestyle. Are you the person? Say, that's me. Auntie lang yung may dream ng ideal lifestyle. How about a dream of having a beautiful home? Ay, mas marami may gusto ng home. Who wants here a one-story house? That's me, may narinig ako. Who wants a two-story house? May narinig. Three-story house. Commercial building. Alright. We are a bunch of dreamers tonight and I can see that in you. How about a dream of having the nicest cars? Ay, parang onti lang. The nicest cars. Parang motor to, hindi to car. The nicest cars. Of course, maybe some of us has that dream tonight. The next dream, a top-notch education. Or if you've already graduated, for your children, or for your future children, or maybe for your siblings, or for your relatives, because as Filipinos, we love to do that. We love to provide, right? We are dreamers tonight, and maybe this is one of your dreams. Ano ba? Of course. Say it with me. Vacations abroad. Can you say that again? Vacations abroad. Who wants here, who has been to Japan? May not me. Gusto ko yun, kuya. Gusto ko yun. Who has been to Spain? Not yet. I love the grit. Who has been to the United States? Yung nakikita ko yung mga kamay, mga taga-kulay UK, Okay. And those dreams, just have that for now. Because sabi ni ate, just like what ate had said, not yet. Can you feel that? I want to grab that dream. I want to catch. I want to catch that dream. You want to be caught by that dream. Ano pa ba? This is what ito ako. Kasi I'm the type of person that wants VIP treatment. Are you the type of person who has a dream to have a VIP treatment? Ano meaning ng VIP? Tingnan mo yung katabi mo kung alam ba na meaning ng VIP. Maybe some of you guys here has the dream of being a VIP. Grabe yung ano ni Kuya right here, oh. Pag sumakay ka ng aeroplano, business class. Ah. Pag sumakay ng ocean jet, business class, hindi tourist. Wow! We want those dreams that we have to be fulfilled. Now, here's the thing. To realize that lifestyle or to realize that dream, you've always wanted how much income do you need or do you want to have for that to accomplish? Sa tingin nyo, 5,000 is enough? How about 10,000? How about 50,000? The question, is over 100,000 pesos a month enough? Maybe yes or maybe no. But here is what I'm going to ask you. If I could show you a way to have, let's say this three words na naka-red. Again, if I could show you a way to have, I want you to say this with grit. I want you to say this now, this is yours. Unlimited earning potential. Say that again. Hindi ko pa na-feel yung grit. Gusto ko ma-feel yung grit. Unlimited earning potential. Yan, na-feel ko na ang grit. Now, if I can show you a way to have unlimited earning potential, now here's the catch. Without investing millions. Because you won't have unlimited earning potential if wala kang in-invest, diba? And usually, when it's this type of income, you're going to invest a lot. You need to invest big time. But in this night, if I could show you a way to have unlimited earning potential without investing million, would you be interested? Yes. If you're interested, I want you to say G, not G. Would you be interested? Tingnan mo yung katabi mo. Would you be interested? Yung isang katabi mo, would you be interested? Yung sa taas sa likod mo, would you be interested? Now, let me tell you our business proposition. We want you to be a business leader. Say it with me. Business leader. Again. I'm watching you guys. Say it. I'm seeing you guys. Say it. Wag kang mahiya. Don't look at the person next beside you. Yes. That's who you're going to be. A business leader. Would you love that? We have three things. Pag isa ka ng business leader, we have three things that you're doing every day. Every week, every month. And I'm going to share to you tonight. And this is our business proposition. Number one, sell. Huh? Sell? Mga Salvador. Of course, sell. Here's the thing. If you're going to meet 2 people a day, how many? And make 1 sale a week. How many sale? Your earnings can be up to 441,600 pesos a year or 36,800 pesos a month. Gusto niyo yun? Parang hindi kayo satisfied. Parang yung iba dito, okay na yan. Is this enough? Wait, there's more. That's only one, the first option. Now, the second one, recruit. If you're going to recruit 1 new agent a month, you can earn up to 143,520 pesos a year or 11,960 pesos a month. Can you say it with me? I want that. Gusto ko yan. Would you like this income? Ayaw, choosy tayo dito tonight. Ayaw niyo pa? Would you like to earn up to 143,520 pesos a year or 11,960 a month? Yes? Now, the third thing, pangalawa pa lang yun. Now, here's the third thing. It's to manage. Now, if you're going to supervise at least 2 managers a year, you can earn up to 574,080 pesos a year or 47,840 pesos a month. Grabe. Right? Nakikita ko sa mga mukha niyo. Ha? Pag ganyan yung income ko, okay, home credit check, SPay later check, TikTok pay later check, Bill is check, nagbi-bill is dito, Digido check, at ng mga online platforms, lending platforms, sinasalihan na lang talaga para magka-income. But here in PruLife UK, with these three things, if you do this religiously and passionately, you can earn a total potential income of 97,000 a month or 1.1 million per year. I love the silence. Come on, palakpakan naman dyan. That can be your future. Come on, you can do better than that. That can be your future. Nafe-feel nyo tonight? This can be your future if you do this business. Now, of course, when you join PruLife UK, we are ready to support you. PruLife UK is ready to support you. Now, what do we do? How do we support your business? Number one, cutting-edge training programs. I know each and every one of us has different backgrounds, different environments, different careers, right? Maybe some of you here is a corporate employee, or maybe some of you here has a profession, right? We do have different backgrounds, but here in PruLife UK, once you start the business, people from PruLife UK is ready to train you, emptying the cup so that it will be filled. G? Alright, now next, how do we support your business? Superior products. As Miss have mentioned a while ago that we are number? Come on, we are number? We do have a song with Ben and Ben. We are number one. Hindi lang na-play kanina, no? But, yeah, because of our superior products, we are number one. Next, how do we support your business? This is what I love the most here in PruLife UK, because this is how it changed my life. Coaching and mentoring from some of the best in the industry. Me, I'm so grateful for the person who invited me here in PruLife UK. And of course, I want to shout out, say it with me, shout out. I want to shout out my branch manager, BM Alibeth. Asan ka? Napalapakan naman natin si BM Alibeth. Thank you so much, BM, for coaching and mentoring me. Because guys, here in PruLife UK, this is not just a transactional conversation. This is not just a one-time thing. But here in PruLife UK, they are personal and intentional. Three words that sticks to my heart and mind every time I meet with my BM: doing life together. PruLife, they do life together. And if you want that, join us. Of course, it doesn't stop there. What's in it for you? Number one, you can earn up to 45% commissions. Ang laki. Ang laki. Can you say it with me? Ang laki. Imagine, for an earnings, and then your commission is 45%. Do you know how to multiply? Do you know? May narinig akong no. Do you know that? No. Okay, we do know how to multiply, right? So 45% commission. Let's just say, for example, 1 million pesos. How much is 45% for that? You do the math. Next, what's in it for you? Up to 40% persistency bonuses. Bonuses. Next, up to 40% production bonuses. Bonuses na naman. Woo! Woohoo! Grabe. In PruLife UK, it's always grabe. Of course, it doesn't end there. There is also a 10% overriding commissions from recruiting. Would you like that? Can you tell the person next beside you, gusto mo ba yan? I'm watching you guys. Ask the person next beside you, gusto mo ba yan? Ay, gusto kayo sagot ni Ate Lida. Po. Of course, we want our lives. Because I do believe that each and everyone who came here, hindi accidental that you're here. It's not an accident. So I want you to put that in your heart and in your mind that this is for you. Because among every Cebuano out there right now, you were the chosen one to be here. And I know that it's not an accident. Okay, what's in it for you? Of course, we do have health care for you. Of course, we do have insurance coverage for you. Of course, we do have, I love this, agents savings fund for you. Grabe, sobrang grami na, no? It doesn't end there. There's still more. What's in it for you? A while ago, napag-usapan natin yung vacation abroad. PruLife UK has international travels for you. If yung nag-invite sa inyo, kilala nyo, of course, nakikita nyo yan ng mga nag-share ng mga tao na, uy, Japan, uy, China, uy. Of course, here in PruLife UK, if you do the business passionately and religiously, they always give what you deserve. Of course, rewards and incentives. Latest phones, latest tablets, smart TVs, cars, luxury watches. And it doesn't end there. What I love about PruLife UK also, if you give your all here, our company sees you. And they're ready to give you awards and recognition. Grabe. Not just locally, not just nationally, but also internationally. You will be recognized internationally. PSM, this is an award. Life Club, this is also an award. Gamma International. If you're going to search these awards, these are not normal awards, guys. Grabe, when you receive these awards, matinding award to. So tonight, if na-remember nyo to, go search it out. And you'll see that what I've been saying here is not just a bunch of words, but real life happenings. And of course, the very well-known Pru MDRT $1 Million Roundtable. Palakpakan naman para sa ating MDRT who are here for tonight. Hello MDRT, can you wave your hands? $1 Million Roundtable, mga MDRTs natin. Ayun, nakita ko. Ayan. And here's what I love the most about working here in PruLife UK. Nakikita nyo naman here in the screen. And ito talaga yung nagpa-push sa akin to do PruLife. Because here in PruLife UK, this is not just a job, this is not just a career, but this is a noble one. Very noble. Because you are giving a sense of purpose for your clients. How can I say this? Of course, kasi you get to have that power. You get to have that, ikaw yung nagdadala ng balita in their critical times. You have that power to change lives, giving your customers or clients the peace of mind that they need during the most critical times of their lives. That's what we do here in PruLife. And that's what we want to present to you. We are presenting to you tonight a noble career, a noble job. And at the same time, your dreams will be reached also. Your dreams will be catched also. Tonight is a dream catcher. Tonight is a night that your lives will be changed upon making that decision to join Pru. So I hope that tonight, all those dreams, alam ko, while ako nagsasalita kanina, nagsisalputan yung mga dreams in your minds. I want you to catch every one of those. And be a PruLife UK financial consultant. Ideal lifestyle? Check. Travel the world? Check. Lucrative income? Check. Growth and development? Check. Purposeful career. Say it with me. Parang nahihirapan tayo dyan. Say it with me again. Check, na check, na check, na check. Be one of us. Join PruLife UK. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
All right, thank you so much.